The correct answer is B. John McCarthy.
The first page of document is blank. A. First page. B. Document. C. Cover page. The answer is C. Cover page. The correct shortcut is B. Control+U. This highlights the paragraph and speaks the whole text.
The amount of data transmitted for a given amount of time is called B. Bandwidth.
How do you display current date and time in MS Excel? The answer is C. Now, which updates live. Which shortcut key is used to create chart in MS Excel? The answer is C. F11.
The amount of data transmitted for a given amount of time is called B. Bandwidth.
The file name is displayed in the title bar at the top of the MS Word window. So the correct answer is C.